Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to the show. Today is a little bit different than what you guys are used to. We just got back from Sema, and one of the things we wanted to do there was take a GoPro and put it on top of the booth and just kind of record everything that happened so that we could see, like, what it looked like to interact with people, how many people we actually talked to. And so we didn't know what to do with this footage, and I was like, yeah, naturally we're going to put it up here for you guys to watch. It's about 6 minutes long, and if you ever wanted to know what it is like to work the show floor at SEMA and talk to people all day long, well, then this is the video for you. So this is the first 2 days that we were there. You get to see us running around like little ants, talking to a whole bunch of people. Jeff Smith is there, we're there. And of course, some people you may recognize from the industry pop in and out. It's a lot of fun. We had a great time, and hey, enjoy. See you later next time. Bye.